Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off and removing the SIM tray. Make sure the two pentalobe screws are out. Use a suction cup and a thin plastic pick to lift the display about 1/8 of an inch. This prevents bending the screen. Once you have an opening, hinge the display up and remove the battery connector shield screws, then disconnect the battery. This protects the logic board while you work on the home button assembly and avoids short circuits during the repair. Next, you'll detach the front camera and sensor bracket to reach the home button cable. That clears the top area so you can flip the display. Remove the lower display bracket screws and lift the bracket away. Carefully pry the home button flex cable from its adhesive and transfer the metal retainer cup if you're using the original button. That preserves Touch ID connections. If replacing the button, note that Touch ID will not work with a third-party digitizer. This is why you may opt to repair instead of replace. Reassembly begins by reconnecting the battery first, then seating the home button flex and the display connectors in their original sequence. This ensures stable power and data paths. Once everything is plugged in, close the display onto the frame evenly and finish by tightening the two pentalobe screws and reinserting the SIM tray. Test the home button and basic navigation. If the button is non-responsive, make sure connectors are fully seated, remove any debris, and reseat the flex cable. These checks fix most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.